Hello everyone, Richard and David here with another version of Ask the Broker. Today we're going to talk a little bit about rates have just gone up. How is that affecting the market as far as buyers, sellers, pricing, everything? David, what do you have for us?
Yeah, we got some excellent data from Freddie Mac. And they looked back at what happened the last times rates rose over 1%. And what happened to home prices in those markets. And we all know that rates have gone up over 1% here recently in the last couple months. So I thought it'd be great to look back at the last 6 markets where the rates rose over 1%. But before we get into that, we got a great quote here from the chief economist at Freddie Mac, Len Kiefer, his name is. He says, mortgage rates are likely to continue to move higher throughout the balance of 2022. Although the pace of the rate increases is likely to moderate. Much of the increase in rates in early 2022 is in anticipation of what will happen later this year, especially with the Federal Reserve interest rate policy. So hopefully much of the move has already been made in rates. There might continue to move up a little bit further. But again, that's from the chief economist at Freddie Mac. But let's get into what happened the last time rates rose over 1%. So this basically, there were 6 times where rates rose dating back to 1993. So from 1993 to December of 1994, rates went up 2.38%, and the house prices during that time period also went up 3%. So yeah, looking at the chart here, you can see in each of these 6 interest rate increasing environments, home prices went up each and every time in those markets, from 3% to 2%, a 13%, a 7%, and even 11%.
So the rates go up and the market goes up too. Why? Do you think that the buyers are coming out because they're scared it's going to keep going up?
Potentially.
Yeah, so that could be maybe why it goes up on the first jump that it makes, because I'd rather have a 5.5 or a 6 than a 7.
Yeah, absolutely. So maybe it motivates the buyers. It causes more demand into the marketplace.
Yeah. And it seems like we're headed just what David said is the average, that we're going to continue to go up through the summer, even though the rates did go up.
Mm-hmm. So I thought we'd share that positive news with all of you guys today. It's many people are being very pessimistic about the housing market because of the increase in rates, but here's 6 great examples of history and time where the market actually went up with rising interest rates. So share that with your clients. It's not all bad news here on the Ask the Broker Show, right?
That's right. Still going up.
All right. Thanks you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next Friday.